Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up a new Linux VM that will be my testing environment. This VM I'll use for experimenting and testing, so I can safely test before I move into my production VM that I'm using for my real work. This setup won't have a graphical interface for start, and it's going to be a clean command line only environment. Just to make sure to install minimal environment, plan is to have a working Linux VM that's gonna mirror my production setup, so I can try out new tools, configurations, and workflows without risking my actual projects and Linux VM that I'm using for work. So the first step is to create virtual machine itself. Just a note, if you're gonna follow this guide, I personally prefer Debian, but you can use any Linux you prefer. So let's just start. For this installation, I will use Debian 13, the latest one, Trixie. So this is the ISO file for Debian. I think that's it for now. Okay, let's begin installation. Just to check, did I miss something? No, that's it. Let's begin installation. Okay, let's go full screen and we're gonna proceed with graphical install. English. Okay, Philippines. just put this American English for keyboard. Okay, first name it's gonna be just a second. Let's put it in sandbox. Later I'm gonna change that easily, so it's not a problem. So sandbox VM local. Later I can change that also, it's not a problem. Let's put super strong password. Let's make sure it's the same. The name of the user. My name. Continue. Continue. Password. Again, extremely super strong password. It's not a problem. I will make it even more stronger later with more security. So you just continue to follow the prompts on the screen. Okay, I will use guided to use entire disk. Okay. Now I will just separate home, var, and temp partitions. You can make what is the best for you. Okay, let's finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Okay, write changes to disk, yes. Continue. And wait to install base system. Okay. Obviously there was some kind of error. Have no idea why it stopped. Let's try like this. Let's do again, quick. But that's why it is the error. Okay, let's make a new one. Pull one. Okay, let's make like this. Sandbox VM. That's the reason why it failed, but it's okay. 50. Okay, finish. That's why it failed. Sandbox VM. Choose volume. Okay, because on default one it says that there is only 1 gigabyte available in the default location. I did not see that, but okay, forward. Customize network, change network because I have multiple networks. Finish. Okay, apply, change. Okay, CPU, memory, boot. We're gonna change order of boot, apply. Later we're gonna change that again. So storage size 50 gigabytes. That's fine now. Interesting why I have two. Let's take other one actually. This one. Okay, that's the one. Apply. Yeah. Begin installation. Let's see now. This should not fail this time. Graphical install. Okay, let's go. If you're installing Debian as same as me, this is good installation for installing read. Just search this one online. You will get to this page, debian.org releases Trixie. And you have everything about Debian Trixie, how to do, what to do. Okay, this is the step where I'm gonna uncheck Debian desktop environment because I do not need it. I want to install everything by myself, completely minimal. So, but I need web server and I need SSH server and standard system utilities. Okay, let's proceed with continue. Okay, installation is complete, so it's time to boot into your new system. So let's remove installation media. I'm gonna just go, here. Let's remove boot option. I'm gonna check this. Okay, and I will check just a second to find. Boot options. Here, SATA CD-ROM. And just to remove this one, apply, and we can continue because we need to remove installation media. Okay, let's continue, finishing the installation. And we should go into our Debian system when it's reboot. That's it. Okay, now we have here Sandbox VM login page where I can log in as a user and password if I don't make a mistake. Login correct. Let's try one more time. Let's like this. Let's log in as a root. Yeah, cool. And we are in the system. At root level, there is nothing inside, probably, of course. So let's first clear it and we can first update everything. Update, up, full upgrade. Yes. Yes. So okay, I think that's it for now. Now it's just left to search for apps and things that I need to set up. For this video, I think that's it. I will concentrate to see everything what I need to install, and I will make one more video in which I will proceed with the installation of apps and everything what I need for the entire system to work properly. For now, this is fine. The main goal of this video was to set up a desktop environment to install Debian. The main goal on this video was to install Debian Trixie and to set up this environment that is completely minimal, like there is almost nothing. That is fine with me. That's what I wanted. So this is what I'm gonna replicate in my production system, my production VM. and then I will proceed with installation of other things on this system where I'm gonna test it. And then if everything is fine and working, I will replicate it again into other VM. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and all the best. Bye-bye.